This is an ultra rare 1970s Peugeot BB3K, I guess moped or motorbike or small motorcycle. Doesn't actually have pedals. Cool thing about this bike is it's 49 cc's, but it has a 3-speed manual transmission. So I guess you could call it like a Shifty 50. So just a very extremely rare bike. Found one more of these in the US that was listed for sale. The guy's asking, I believe, $3,500 for it. But that bike's running and original, whereas this bike is not running and incomplete. So prefer to sell this thing whole rather than parting it out, just because, you know, it's a rare bike that I'd like to keep together. So you can, if you're interested, you can shoot me an email at rustbeltcycleparts@gmail.com. And we'll just take a quick look at this thing. So it's not the original headlight or the original bars or controls, so I have to track those down. The rims and the hubs are original, but you can see it's got pretty heavy rust there, so those would need to be redone. The engine turns over, so that's a very good thing. The engine turns over with compression, but you can see the exhaust has been rigged up, and we'll take a look at that on the other side as well. The tank has been redone. Someone added a kill switch on there, which I guess you could undo that wiring. So the Gertner carb is still on there, but the air cleaner is gone. You can see the linkage for shifting. So, and actually you have to pull the clutch in there. It has a chain guard on it still. The seat is missing the seat cover, unfortunately. It had a pretty cool seat cover with the Peugeot Lion, but that is missing. You can see it's kickstart, so it's 50 cc's, but it's kickstart as well. So it kicks over, put some oil in the cylinder. Let's see here. So you see the brake right there. The tank, it's been repaired a little bit. And yeah, the forks, the original blue color with the checkers on there. So overall, it's, I think, a good project, a good start to a project. I think tracking down the parts will be pretty difficult. Oh, the tank, we didn't take a look at that yet. The tank is, well, it's very hard to see, but it's pretty clean on the inside. So I think this bike's, you know, very rare in the US. I don't believe they were imported. The numbers are matching. I do not have a title for it, so you know, you need to apply for that, which can be a pain, but I would include a bill of sale. It's located in southeast Wisconsin, although I will ship. You know, and that can be done through U-Ship or a different carrier. So you can shoot me an email at rustbeltcycleparts@gmail.com, and we can go from there. All right, thanks for watching.